Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to register on Olymp Trade, and at the same time I'll walk you through what you'll actually see inside so you don't feel lost after signing up. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a special bonus for you. If you want to go straight to the official registration page, you can use the link below. It will save you time and make your start easier. Let's start with registration. Go to the official Olymp Trade website and click on registration. You'll need to enter your email, create a password and choose your preferred currency. Some users also choose to sign up using Google. It's faster and skips a few steps. After submitting your details, check your email and confirm your account. Now you're inside, and this is where Olymp Trade does something interesting. The platform feels structured. The chart is right in the center and everything else is built around it. You don't have to search, your eyes naturally understand where to look. Now let me show you what to pay attention to. First, the chart. This is the main area where everything happens. Then the side panel where you can switch assets. Try clicking a few just to see how the platform reacts. Then open the menu. You'll see sections like account settings and tools. You don't need to understand everything right now. The goal is simple: get familiar with the environment, and this is why Olymp Trade works well for beginners. It doesn't overwhelm you, it kind of guides you step by step. So what should you do next? Complete registration, confirm your email, and spend a few minutes exploring the interface like we just did. And here's something worth knowing. When you use the right link and top up your balance, platforms like Olymp Trade often provide a bonus. This gives you more flexibility when you decide to move forward. So instead of just signing up randomly, it makes sense to start in a more prepared way. If you want to begin, check the link in the description. You'll get a good bonus to your balance when you top up your account. Available from our channel when you register through the link, which will give you a better start. I'll also help you personally with a free consultation so you can avoid beginner mistakes. That way you don't just create an account, you actually understand where you are and how to move forward.